Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. And oh my gosh, this is the state of my pantry. It is a total mess. This is the kitchen, but I am trying to organize it. My plan is to add everything that's in plastic packaging into glass jars. Now the jars I'm using are the ones from Azure Standard. I'm going to be using the 1.5 and the pint mostly, and then I do have a few half gallons. Now, I really enjoy the superb lids because they are gold, and for me, that is the type of look that I'm going for in my pantry. You don't know how much you have until you actually start to organize it. I did not think I had that much product in my pantry, but I guess I did. Now, because the holiday season is pretty much here, I am buying so many nuts so I can use a lot of baking and granola, cookies, and gifting items. So I really needed to organize my life because it was just getting out of hand. One of my favorite purchases of 2024 has got to be my faux memo label maker that I purchased from Amazon. I will link that down below. I use this for everything, not just the kitchen. I use it to label everything around the house, and it just makes my life a whole lot easier. I really truly recommend this. Not only is it going to save you time, but I feel like it actually saves you money because you don't have to buy any ink for this. It's like self-heated. It's amazing. 2024 is almost over, which is really crazy to me because I just feel like we just celebrated the new year. Time is flying by faster than I can pretty much blink, but the new year is coming, and the goal for myself that I've set is to just live in the moment, not take everything too seriously, and just have fun. These three things I feel like pretty much can help you get through so much in life, no matter what obstacles come your way. These are the half-gallon jars from Azure Standard, and they did not come with lids. You had to purchase them separately, which I did, but unfortunately they didn't ship, and they are now discontinued until further notice. Now, I had a really sweet friend here on YouTube. I will provide her handle down below along with where I purchased these lids. So thank you so much to her because these actually fit. I had purchased 3 different sets from Amazon claiming that they would fit these jars, but they did not, which was really frustrating to the point that I had almost given up, and I was about to use these just as decorative pieces around the house, which would have been a total waste. But now I'm actually able to fill them with things that I can utilize every single day. They're going to be used for my flowers, my sugar, and they just look so good in the pantry alongside everything else with the gold lids. Come on, just look at this. They're so pretty. I love them. I am finally done with the pantry. For right now, there's going to be a little bit of, touch-ups here and there, but this is the final look of today. I am so exhausted. There was a lot of back and forth. Definitely took longer than I thought it would, but if you guys enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments down below, and if you have any future suggestions of what I might be able to do in this pantry, let me know because there's definitely some wasted space around here, and I just don't know what to do with it as of right now. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys have an amazing day, amazing holiday season with all of your friends and your family, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.